All right, so as part of this stereo, as you can see, this vehicle has buttons on it to control the stereo, and it would sure be a shame if those buttons didn't work once we put the new radio in. So we've got a steering wheel control interface. This one is the ASWC-1 by Axxess. So let's go ahead and crack this open and get it connected. This is the little black box. It's where all the magic happens. It's gonna have a wiring harness with a whole bunch of wires coming out of it. The good news is most of these wires, we're not gonna need them. What has to happen here is we need power, we need ground, and we need the specific wire used in this specific vehicle, which in this case is the green and white wire. We know that because Axxess puts vehicle-specific installation instructions right on their website. You can just download them, print them up, just like we've done here. So we know that we need the white and green wire from the ASWC-1's pin, and we've found that it's pin 18 of the vehicle's connector. Looks like pin 18 is the third one in on the bottom row, number 18. So we should be able to take that information and flip this around. And you see these little tiny pins right here. See the bottom row, we can count in 1, 2, 3. That would make it this blue wire right here. So that's pin number 18. And we need to tap that wire. So we're going to take this white and green wire and we're going to use one of these Posi taps. It's a 2-piece connector on this side. That little metal part pierces the wire and this will hold it together. So we'll screw those in. And then we take our stripped wire from the steering wheel interface. We're going to put it in the other end of the Posi tap. Tapped into the factory wire. Now we've got our steering wheel control connection for the actual control. The other wires that we are not using, I've taped them up so that they won't touch anything. And this little 3.5 millimeter jack, we'll plug that into the back of the radio. And now I've just got to tap in for power and ground, similar to how I just did for the control wire. All right, power, ground, control. Plug this into our steering wheel control interface. And so the only thing left to plug that in would be this connector, which goes into 3.5 millimeter jack right there. Now, our steering wheel control interface comes with a very handy auto detection mode, and according to these instructions, it should just figure out the vehicle and figure out the radio, figure out how to make them talk to each other so that when I hit these buttons on the steering wheel, like for example the volume up button, the volume goes up. So that's how to install a steering wheel control interface. If you have any questions about doing that in your car, give us a call or chat with us on the website or just send us an email.